Maraming salamat, Josh. Pwede po tayo maupo lahat. Maraming salamat. Ikinagagal ako ng ating punong lunsod, Honorable Mayor Geraldine G. Rosal, ay kinilala na po yung ating mga importanteng personalidad na nandito po ngayong araw na ito. Mayor, maraming salamat. You have just made my work easier. Pero nais ko pong magbigay galang uli sa mga taong lagi kong kasama sa araw-araw, Mayora. Siyempre, bago po yun, nais ko pong, of course, kilalanin din ang ating kaibigan mula sa Kongreso. Sa mababang kapulungan po, nandito po ang ating guest speaker. Mamaya po siya po yung makideliver ng kanyang napaka-importanteng mensahe. Si Honorable Representative Alfred de los Santos ng Provinciano Party List. Magandang umaga. Pong Apit. Sa aking mga kasamang department heads na kumpleto ang kanilang attendance ngayong umaga, maraming salamat sa inyong presensya. Pinagagala ko na mas marami kayo ngayon kumpara last year na nakaraang taon at andito rin yung aking may bahay na si Ana, ang aking anak na si PJ, of course, ang ating mga board members, board member Atty. Sheena Marie Onrubia de la Cruz, Honorable Board Member Rolly Rosal, and of course, si Honorable Board Member Vicente Baltazar III. Palapakan po natin ang ating mga kasama, ating fellow workers in government. Sa hanay naman po ng Legazpi City, of course, nakita ko kanina umaga sa simbahan, si City Administrator Ante. At nalaman ko na siya po ang mas gwapong tatay ni Dr. Carl Ante ng Provincial Health Office. And to all the city officials, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdalo sa napaka-importanting araw na ito. Ito po yung aking mensahe. Muli po, isang mapagpalayang araw sa ating lahat. Isang mapagpalayang araw sa ating lahat. Alam ko po, napakainit po ng panahon, ngunit doon din pong kainit ang ating pagmamahal sa ating inang bayan. Today marks a dual celebration of profound historical and cultural significance. The 126th anniversary of Philippine independence and the 65th Legazpi City Charter Day anniversary. As we gather here, we are reminded of our glorious past and the strides we have made towards a more promising future. Ngayong araw na ito, 1898, ang ating mga ninuno nagtatag ng kasarinlan ng ating inang bayan. Ito po ay testamento ng kanilang tapang at determinasyon na maging malaya sa lahat ng uri ng pananakop, sa lahat ng klase ng mga kolonyalista. Isinakripisyo nila ang kanilang buhay para ilatag ang pundasyon sa isang lipunang pinamumunuhan ng mga Pilipino para sa kapwa Pilipino. Isang pamahalaang ipinaglalaban ang pagkapantay-pantay. Isang pamahalaan na magbibigay ng karampatang halaga sa hustisya at isang pamahalaan na isisigurado ang tunay na kalayaan na itinadhana sa bawat Pilipino. As Filipinos, we carry the torch of our ancestors' bravery, not just in memory, but in spirit and action. We continue to fight for our rights, uphold our values, and strive for a prosperous nation that our children and grandchildren will be proud to inherit. In recent years, we are all witnesses how foreign powers have continuously tried to get what is rightfully ours. As Filipinos, we will do everything to secure our sovereignty over the West Philippine Sea. Hindi natin susuko ang ating kasarinlan sa nasabing karagatan. Simultaneously, we celebrate the 65th anniversary of Legazpi City's charter. Over the past 6.5 decades, our city has shown remarkable transformation, becoming a beacon of progress and resilience in the Bicol region. Legazpi's growth from a quaint town to a bustling modern city is a story of success driven by the hard work and unity of its people, and of its leaders. This charter signifies more than just administrative recognition. It symbolizes the identity and aspirations of Ligaspeños. It is also a commitment to continue the work of those who came before us, to build a city that stands strong in the face of challenges and thrives in the opportunities of tomorrow. As we celebrate these significant milestones, let us renew our pledge to one another to build a community and a country where peace, prosperity, and happiness prevail. Let us continue to work together across all sectors of society to achieve the dreams we have set for our city and for our province, and most especially for our nation. We stand here together, proud of our past, active in our present, and optimistic about our future. May we carry forward the legacy of our heroes in the spirit of our city with unwavering pride and determination. To every Ligaspeño and to every Albayano, let us hold high the flags of our freedom as symbols of our undying spirit and enduring hope. Together, let us forge ahead to a future that is brighter than ever. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay po ang Legazpi City. Mabuhay po ang Albay. Diyos na talos po.